Intellectual Ventures is a company that was formed to essentially provide a platform where inventors could meet people who needed good solutions to very important problems. And to date, we've harnessed about 400 plus institutions that represent close to 25,000 inventors, actually, 10,000 of whom actively work with us. And we innovate to solve really important problems for our partner companies. I think inventors many times are looking for a novel approach to a problem. Sometimes they don't have commercialization or the speed to market in mind when they come up with their eloquent solutions. So we do have to redirect them, because what commerce wants is something that can go to market as quickly as possible. Sometimes you can be very surprised by a good idea or a good solution or a good innovation, that there is a place for it that perhaps hasn't been identified yet. The folks at Apple always like to say we invent it and then sort of tell, I'm paraphrasing here, the consumer, what it is they need. I think there can be some truth to that. So I think they can take away from that perhaps they should look at some of the ideas that perhaps are a little harder to grasp. A lot of companies are in Silicon Valley. A lot of people are trying to copy Silicon Valley. Even whole countries are trying to copy Silicon Valley. But I think that's a very difficult and frankly foolish thing to do. Silicon Valley is unique unto itself. I think you can do lots of things that mimic or look a lot like the outcome, but I think trying to regenerate Silicon Valley is very tough. Singapore, with the government support that companies here have and their focus on innovation and intellectual property rights, I think is a great area, a great place to be, to put innovation hub, whether you're testing things or protecting things, because the rule of law and government here is so solid.